I'm with Joey Lee at Gifu. As you see behind, there is the tool changer. It has been awarded the Taiwan Manufacturing Excellence Award.
Yes.
It is one of the few recognized machine which has been awarded. Mr. Joey,
Yes.
can you tell me about this tool changer?
Okay. This is the tool changer we have development for this year. And mostly the biggest change that is for the whole world, now the green is very important. So we have the hydraulic system with our old model. Now we development for the servo system. So this is the whole new system for this type of the ATC. Yes.
Okay. Now this ATC is compatible with any of the CNC machines?
Yes, it can be used mostly for horizontal type of the the machine, but it's fine. We can development or change it for different type, and with the same system, it's possible to use.
Okay. Since you are also taking care of overseas sales and marketing,
Yes.
what is the focus of Gifu in India?
In India, because the Indian market is really big, we have the dealer in India which can help after service, and then we usually have to provide the best quality machine to India, because for overseas you need to make sure machine is working well and have a good quality and stable enough. Maybe in India we still need to cost down some of the price to the India market, because now it's very fighting in India.
Okay.
So we try to do the best for India.
Okay. Now, how do you take care of machines which is already supplied? How do you service those machines?
Okay. Usually we are having a small problem. You can directly to find us, or we can give you some of the suggest video, SOP, document everything. It will be fine. If there's big problem, then we will send somebody to the place to help you to fix it. Usually it's our dealer first. If our dealer can't happen to help you, then we will fly by ourselves and to help to finish the job.
So, their manufacturers in India, anybody is looking for tool changer, this is the machine which has been awarded, and you must have a look. Why don't you visit their website and look for more information about this machine?